Ni Uteithio uria wamukiritwo ni mucii wa Ciana iria iri na mawathe wa Singida hindi ya igongona riria riratabanitio ni kambuni ya uthondeki wa indo guku bururi-ini ya Menengai. Ni kuumana na moritu maria ciana ici ikoretwo ikigerera, gukirikana nyingi ciacio ihonokagio itetwo ni aciari ao kaunti-ini ya Samburu na kaunti-ini ya Laikipia.
Let's go out to the families. Let's go out in the field, reach out those who cannot, who are less privileged. We reach out to all these children who could be hidden, and we show the parents that it is possible, and a child is a child.
Kuringana na murugamiriri wa mucii uyu Jacinta Silkan, aciari aingi mwena ucio matithiaga thibitari riria maragia ciana, na uguo imwe ciacio iciaragwo iri na wathe ungirigiririo.
Kila mtu ambaye ako na mtoto ambaye amekuwa na mtoto mdogo wanatupatia nguo zao, and those nguo tunaweka kwa bag, and then we take those bags in the hospitals there, in the clinics, in the rural areas. Then we talk to the health workers, tunawaambia any rural mother ambaye anakuja 2 or 3 antenatal clinics anajifungua hospitali, tunampatia hii bag.
Gukiri uguo gikundi giki kirahoya muingi na makiria aikari a Samburu aria kuringana nao metikitie ni mugiro kugia na mwana uri na wathe kumatwaraga thibitari mahinda-ini maria magirire, undu umwe na kumaiyukia ithenya-ini ria kumatiganiria.
We just pray that you guys continue and be with us in prayers and with these children and in whatever you are doing, and I wish you good luck.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.